Welcome to the Family Technology Support Series, presented by the Prince George's County Public Schools Technology Training Team. This video will show you how to identify materials posted by a teacher, how to access materials in Google Classroom, and how to use comments on materials. There are a few different types of posts you'll find on the Classwork tab inside of Google Classroom. Let's take a look at materials. The icon for materials looks like a paper or a book with a bookmark on it. To view the material, click on it, and then you can select View Material. From here, we can open the posted material by clicking directly on top of it. After you've viewed the material, you can go back by clicking the back arrow in the top left-hand corner. If you have a question about the material or would like to leave a comment, you can do so under the class comments section. Click in the bubble next to your icon to type your comment. When you've finished, you'll click on the arrow inside of the right hand of the bubble to post your comment. And your comment is now viewable to the teacher and other classmates.